What's up, Solid Steppers? What's up, Tech the Titans? Miss Ward dropping gems per usual. Let me tell y'all something. There's times I get up, I don't even want, I'll be like, really? But the reality is, right before I started this video, I was thinking about what to do next. I got about a 2-hour drive, and I said, you know what? What can I learn today? What can I fine-tune through audio or through turning my vehicle into a seminar? That's what you need to be doing. Because if you are filling your mind and your spirit with positive, uplifting things and expanding your scope and intellect in any area of your choice, you always ahead of the game. Trust me. Don't get caught slipping. Stay on top of this. Be blessed. Holla.